So I had to rearrange a lot of things on this counter today to get ready for tonight. Y'all know this is part of me and Alan's yearly Halloween tradition. We like to make the Halloween funfetti cake. We're also going to be carving our pumpkins. This is mine. I actually chose this pumpkin because it had a long stem, but unfortunately when we put it in the back of the truck, it rolled around on the way home and the stem broke off. So I'm left with this. This one is Alan's. Alan's actually is perfect, and his stem, or whatever it's called, I think it's called a stem, is still there. I have no clue how long I've had these, but I kept them put away so we could carve our pumpkins and not have to purchase new tools. I'm pretty excited about tonight, and I can't wait for Alan to get home. We're also going to be roasting pumpkin seeds tonight, and maybe watching some scary movies and or listening to spooky podcasts. So welcome to our video. I hope you enjoy. I've got all my lights on. Everything looks... What is that? Whoa. Is there a ghost or something on my camera? Ah! No, seriously. What was that darkness at the top of the screen? It's in the middle of the screen now. What is that? It's only over there. Okay, that's weird. No, that's really weird. Because it's a... Am I crazy? Okay. Anyways. Yeah, I'm home alone with all this spooky stuff lit up. This is not the time to be spooky, camera. It's not here, and it's only here, but it's not. Anyways, yeah, so I was just cutting the camera on actually to show that everything was lit up, but now I'm being spooked out. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting for Alan to get home, and we're going to do our thing, but okay, that's just weird. Whatever. It's gotta be something to do with that. Like, there's no ghost in my camera. Okay, so I changed the setting on my camera, and that kind of made a difference. Yeah, okay. No more boogie woogies. Okay, so it was or it wasn't a boogie woogie. No, because I see the black thing is back. Even after I changed the setting, that's so weird. I've never seen my camera do this before. It's like... I don't know. Guess there's a ghost in my apartment. There's one. There she is. Pizza party. We've got pumpkin shaped pizza, and we've also got some wings. Yeah. Sit down more. Stop spanking my pumpkin. Hey, what am I? Oh yeah. I said stop. Stop with the blowing it out like you're a dragon.
Work.
My hand's backwards. It's the bent neck hand.
Ah, bent hand lady.
Are you ready?
You're too small.
I can't do it. I never can do it. So I should just make it bigger?
No, I'll do it.
But Alan, you'll be having to carve my pumpkin too.
Watch.
Ew!
Look, it's fresh pumpkin.
Fresh pumpkin?
Yeah.
Oh, heavenly day. Okay.
Happy days.
No, it's a Haunting of Hill House reference. Is there life out there? So much she hasn't done. Oh, Kiki wishes she could run away. Too bad, Kiki. She's in the haunted house. Alright, so 5 minutes till the cake's done. Ooh, actually it looks pretty done. Oh my god. The cake is done because I put the knife in and I pulled it out and it was clean. That's the Popo coming to get Alan. See, it stopped right here. You're under arrest.
What's the ambulance?
Alan, you didn't cut it on the bias. Are you ready for this? I had a left hand glove and a right hand glove, and Alan made me take the left hand glove, and so my hands is like, I gotta show you up close. They look backwards. It looks so weird, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't like scooping the inside. I don't really like, this is hard. It's always hard to do for me. Gotta keep them separated.
LMLOP.
Shut up!
Wish I had you all along.
Yeah, looks good.
Just like
Alan's pumpkin, obviously, because it looks much better than mine. And this is mine. I don't really know what happened, but yeah, it happened. Actually, I was trying to make it look like the card that my mom got me, but I don't think that worked out well. Alright, I think these might be done. Well, here's some of the pumpkin seeds. I need to clean this mess. And then we're gonna decorate the cake. You want a knife? Ooh. That icing does look different. They changed it, huh?
Yeah, it's better.
Is it better?
Yeah. Stop doing this.
Icing. Sprinkles. Tell me, what's your technique to decorating the Halloween cake every year?
Evenly distribute, but not too much.
Would you say you're a professional Halloween Funfetti Pillsbury cake maker?
Yeah.
Wawa cup with pineapple pina. What's pineapple pina mean?
Pina.
Oh. What, was like pina colada?
Yeah.
What's in there? Bats?
Bats and pumpkins.
Oh, there's pumpkins too?
Yeah.
It's so cute.
The orange is pumpkin.
Get a real good close-up shot so you guys can see the bats and the pumpkins. So our little Halloween party is over. We ate up all our pizza and wings. The pumpkin seeds are done. Now I need to just take them off this pan and put them away and throw those in the dishwasher. Pumpkins are finished. Kiki is all partied out. She already ripped her clothes off. Cookie has halfway taken her clothes off. She's partied out too. And the cake is officially finished. It's beautiful. Okay, how should we end this video? Oh, we hope y'all all enjoyed our Halloween video of our little Halloween party we had.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
See you next time. Wait, you have a Christmas hat on for a Halloween party. See you next time.